Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. Now we will continue today with song part 2 from Module 7. Let's start. For the lesson Song Part 2, we have 3 learning objectives. You will identify the spelling rules of forming plural nouns. You will use the rules to change nouns from singular to plural forms. And you will ask and answer questions using the plural forms. So are you ready? Let's start. You can find this lesson in your student's book, page 85, and in your workbook, page 82. Before we start, I have a task for you. I would like you to open your student's book to page 85, please, and have your pencil ready. Are you set? We have a song in this page. I want you to search for the 6 words we learned yesterday, like strawberry, cherry. Do you remember all of them? Mango, peach, pineapple, and grapes. Excellent. I want you to search for these words in the song, and if you find any, please draw a circle around it. Now pause the video and go ahead. Did you find all 6 fruit? I am sure you did. Let's do that together. Did you find the first one? Which one is it? Cherries. Excellent. The second one? Strawberries. The third one? Grapes. Well done. The fourth one? Pineapple. The fifth one? Mango. The last one? Peach. Excellent. You found all 6 fruits we learned yesterday. Here's your star. And now, my dear students, I want you to notice something. The word pineapple. How many pineapples do you see? Excellent. There is only one pineapple. What about the mango? How many mangoes are in the picture? There is only one mango. Well done. What about the peach? How many peaches do you see? Excellent. There is only one. So those nouns are singular. There is only one of that thing. There is a pineapple, there is a mango, and there is a peach. Excellent. Singular means only one. And now, what about the cherries? How many cherries do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. What about the strawberries? How many strawberries do you see? There are 1, 2 strawberries. Excellent. What about the grapes? Can we count them? There are a lot of grapes. So those nouns are plural. Plural means there is more than one of this thing. There are some cherries, there are some strawberries, and there are some grapes. Well done. Now that you have learned about singular and plural, are you ready to learn the spelling rules of how to form plural nouns? I am sure you are. Let's start. Let's learn the first spelling rule by reading these sentences. There is a pineapple. There is a pineapple. There are some pineapples. There are some pineapples. Did you notice the difference? Here we have 1 pineapple. And here we have 3 pineapples. So we added the S after the word pineapple. We also changed S to R and A to some. So the first spelling rule is to add S. Most nouns take S in the plural. Cat, cats. Carrot, carrots. Computer, computers. This is the spelling rule number 1. Let's move to the second one. Let's learn the second spelling rule by reading these sentences. There is a peach. There is a peach. There are some peaches. There are some peaches. This time we added ES. Not only S, we added ES. We also changed S to R and A to some. So what's the spelling rule here? When the word ends with S, ch, sh, x, o, we have to add ES in the plural. So that's the second rule. Let's read the examples. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Watch, watches. We have to add ES. Excellent. That's spelling rule number 2. We have one more. Are you ready? Now let's learn it. Spelling rule number 3. By reading these sentences, you will find out the last spelling rule to make plural nouns. There is a cherry. There is a cherry. There are some cherries. There are some cherries. What did we change here? Excellent. We removed the Y and we added IES. Excellent. And also here, we changed S to R and A to some. So the last plural rule, when we have a noun that ends with a consonant and a Y, we have to remove the Y and add IES. For example, strawberry, strawberries, country, countries. But notice the word boy. To make boys, we just added S. Why is that? Because before the Y, we have a vowel. We don't want a vowel before the Y. We need a consonant so that we remove the Y and add IES. Well done. You learned all 3 spelling rules. We will move to the second objective, and that is to use the rules to change nouns from singular to plural forms. Let's go. And now it's time to check if you learned the spelling rules. Open your workbook, please, to page 82. Have a look at activity 2. We will look and match, then write. The first one is done for you as an example. The word grape, grape. It needs an S to become grapes, grapes. Are you ready to do the rest? Please pause the video and try to match and write the words in the plural form. Did you do it correctly? I am sure you did. I have the star ready for you. The word cherry. What does it need? S, ES, or IES? Excellent. It needs IES, but we have to remove the Y. So we are going to write it this way. CHERRRIES. Well done. What about peach? Excellent. It needs ES. Let's write it down. What about strawberry? Amazing. It needs IES. But we have to remove the Y. So let's write it down. What about mango? Brilliant. It needs ES because it ends with an O. Let's write it down. What about the last one? Pineapples. It needs an S. Let's write it down. Excellent. Here is your star. Keep your workbook open, please, to page 82. Have a look at activity 3. We will look and write in the plural. We have to use some. Let's have a look at example number 1. There is a peach. There are some peaches. To change the form from singular to plural, we had to change is to are, we had to change a to some, and we had to change the ending of the singular noun peach to peaches. We added es. Remember your spelling rules. Can you do the sentences from 2 to 5? I am sure you can. Pause the video, please, and try to do it. I will show you the answers now. Number 2. There are some pineapples. Number 3. There are some mangoes. Number 4. There are some strawberries. Number 5. There are some cherries. Check your spelling. I am sure you got them all right. I'm very proud of you. Here's your star. Finally, we reached our third objective. We have to ask and answer questions using the plural forms. I am sure my brilliant students are ready. Let's go. Now we will talk in pairs. Open your student's book, please, to page 85. Have a look at activity 3. Listen to the example and then follow. Hello, what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruits are grapes. What about you? What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit are peaches. Excellent. Now please talk to someone, ask them about their favorite fruit, and tell them about yours. My dear students, don't forget to do your work on Teams, and thank you very much for listening. Have a great day. Bye.